Hello, and welcome to Straith Hospital, located on Lasser Road in Southfield, Michigan. My name is Janet Rys, CEO of Straith Hospital, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of our facility and demonstrate why you can trust us with your care. Your positive experience starts right when you arrive at Straith. Our convenient single-floor facility takes the hassle out of navigating endless hallways just to get checked in. Simply walk through our main doors where you'll be greeted by one of our friendly staff. Our state-of-the-art hospital has been recently renovated to provide spacious clinical areas and recovery rooms that are flooded with natural light to enhance your surgical experience. We believe that having a competitive nurse-to-patient ratio is a critical key to success. We make it our mission to always have someone by your side. Our surgical staff is comprised of some of the best nurses and physicians in the industry who dedicate themselves to your health and comfort. Anything we can do to assist you or your family during your stay, consider it done. Here at Straith Hospital, we're committed to you. From start to finish, our staff will do everything they can to improve your quality of life and get you back doing the things you love. For more information on what we can do for you, visit our website.